everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a columns in a Google Docs. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Docs apps, and after this, in here you can open your project, or you can add the project that you want. In here I have a project, so if you want to add the columns, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the plus icon at the top, and after this, in here you just click on the table, and at the table in here you can adjust the columns that you want. You can adjust the columns maybe 5, maybe 10 like this, and for the rows maybe you can add to 5. And after this, in here you just click on insert the table and finish. So that how to make a columns in a Google Docs. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.